Okay, I'm laughing because I'm thinking about what I'm about to do. All right, I'm about to attempt to recreate Natural85 beach wave, I think she calls it. And yeah, don't expect it to look like her, so that's why I'm laughing. But I did want to try it, so just to see. And I have two bath hands, so the whole like twisting and putting one into the other one and all that stuff, I might just end up doing a flat twist because, yeah, I have two left hands, okay? All right, but first I am going to attempt to comb this out, and I haven't combed it out in 2 weeks. And yeah, you know, you can't really get flat twist in with knots. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do her fake blot that she did. So what I'm going to use is the Alikay lemongrass leave-in conditioner. And Design Essentials had sent me a package, and because of moving and all that stuff, I haven't been able to give it a review yet. But what I'm going to use on top of that to do the stretch, the beach wave, I'm going to try their no, I've used it before, but I'm going to use their natural curl stretch cream, and I did like it when I tried it. I just haven't used it a lot to do an official review yet, but that is coming. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I don't like combing out my hair when it's not entirely wet, but I'm gonna spray it with this lightly. Hopefully I don't get a lot of breakage. And I should have a lot of shedded hair coming out too. Do you hear that? Oh, I don't like this at all. And I'm already starting with stretch hair, just I haven't combed it out in a while. Oh, I don't like this. Better if I break it smaller pieces. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of the hair and come back. Okay, guys, so I have combed out my hair, and I had to put more leave-in conditioner in it. It's still, it's not up, y'all, like, seriously. Okay, but it's all blown out, and hopefully, well, you know what I mean, it's all combed out, because my roots is still thick as heck. Okay, so, yeah, so this is it. So I'll show you guys. You see, it's like still needs some combing, but I don't want to break my hair. I don't know if you guys saw it. Okay. So you see this tail down here that I tried to cut off the last time. It grew back. Okay, so now I am going to attempt to do the, what is it? You know, almost flat twist and then bantu knot at the end. So, yeah, that's what it is right now. So we'll see